The Central Bureau of Investigation has arrested one accused Ashutosh Pandit, a proclaimed offender in a 17 crore bank fraud case from Bambolim, ending his more than 12 years run from the law. It is the case of CBI that Ashutosh Pandit, the director of a company namely House of Laptops India Pvt Ltd, was accused of defrauding Indian Overseas Bank in Pune in 2013. The case was originally registered with the Economic Offences Wing of Mumbai Police before being transferred to the CBI Pune, where the trial is ongoing in this case. Despite continuous efforts by the investigators after the chargesheet was filed in 2013, Pandit remained untraceable and was eventually declared a proclaimed offender by the court in April 2018. CBI has disclosed that during his years on the run, Pandit reportedly adopted a false identity as Yatin Sharma and also obtained a new PAN, Aadhaar card and passport under the name of Yatin Sharma to evade detection. He was living quietly in Goa and suspected to be working with a famous nightclub as CEO on his fake identity. But finally, CBI located him using the technical surveillance, evidence and data from the NetGrid portal of central government. In a coordinated operation, the CBI finally apprehended Pandit at his residence at Bambolim. Further legal proceedings are underway as the case progresses through Pune court. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.